Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix laptop battery drain issue on Windows 11, 10. First method is update battery driver. Second method is uninstall battery driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.